about this amazing event that you all have coming up that's going to fatten people's bellies, but give them a little bit of history about the Gullah people.
We got the first annual Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival and take place upon historic Helena Island. So the Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival will not only be about eating food, but learning more about the Gullah Geechee language, our culture, and our traditions. Many people know that we are the descendants of African peoples who came from a variety of places, from the Senegambia down to Angola. And part of what we brought here were our sea work traditions. And so we're definitely going to display that and to have people learn about how we catch the food, and then you get tastes of the food.
Are there tickets on sale? What do people need to do in order to get some more information?
Actually, it is free admission. We want the entire family to come out, and if you need more details, you can call us at 843-838-1171 or go to www.GullahGeecheeFishingAssociation.com and bring everybody down there because it's going to be a down-home party too.
Well, for free, I'm sure that a lot of people will come.
Definitely. There are buses that are coming and everything already, so we definitely want everybody to join. There'll be DJs, there'll be Gullah Geechee presentations, a lot of crafts, CDs, books, and things for sale, so you can take a little bit of this educational process about our culture home too.
Sounds great.
Yeah, some of one of the things you have one you have leave by hand. You know this man? Look, come on, buddy. You can do one more.
When I tee mine up, I just pick them up.
You don't get it now, no more. You got the money back in.
Yeah.
Oh,
when I throw them and get on the house and back, I tee them up.
No. I did it, I was in my language, but you did some language. That's 7 years ago. 7 years ago, you do anything else. And when you do it, just fuck my hand. Yeah. You do something like that, eh? No, I mean, but I show you. You do it next, you pop. You don't stand this pop. Then do it good job. Get your hand back. You cut your hand in half, so you cut it up, so you pop. Oh yeah, that'll mature. That'll mature, man. That'll mature, let me go.
Alright, stand by, and I'm going back up to the top.
Yeah, man, that's all right. You can make it. I can do fine. What I do, on the first and then come back to don't do that blue thing.
Damn. Don't put it back. See, I'm going to do it right
Mark McKee, you got them in? Yeah, here. What's your order? What's the bill home? 20. 20? Ain't bad. I see why it was 20 though. He's so crazy. Hey, cool on. Look at the one that I'm back on. Whenever you're ready. Come on. Ain't too bad.
Oh, you got jiggers on, can bring it down. Yep.
Why you gonna lie to me? Shrimp gone, shrimp gone. Need more shrimp? Shrimp gone, shrimp gone. Shrimp coming. And stop eating them.
I want y'all to give a big round of applause to we Gullah Geechee Fishing Association members. All of them, you see the work, and some of them the volunteer and thing even to help me out. All of these, the new Gullah Geechee Fishing Association. And if you want to join, come over to the blue tent. We can crack we teeth with you about how you join we. Because we want to keep we people out here in the creek. Because plenty of law and thing that make them so say the children can't go out for get these your thing for a nam pan, for feed the family no more. But see, y'all are going in there storing thing for get y'all thing now. So y'all think say come on ice all the time. Y'all think say fish grow out of ice in it. It grow out of ice. Any mark? Mark got one big old shrimp boat down there. Y'all probably if us know say Port Royal Shrimp Company, the one that we own Gullah Geechee. That a Mark Schmidt right there. We president of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association. You see, so y'all ain't got to tell me, man, I had to go on food drive for get no shrimp. Your story. You can get them right there from we on, and it just come out the same water right here. Ain't shipping them in from no place else or nothing like that. Because I don't have to crack my eye early for they clean, but get by them with them. So I done go on by the boat, so I see what you do. Ain't a story tall, it's a drag form. And God bless them, bring them in. And God not bless them, ain't bring nothing back but the net. I sorry on them days, brother, I sorry on them days. But see, some of we Fishing Association member, y'all see me the run wrong in these wood wrong, y'all. Y'all probably look at them now say, ain't that boy had gun behind my house last week? Because people like a Ricky Wright, we vice president, yeah, I call your name. Ricky Wright, and Keith Ellis and them boy there, always the hunt. I said, look here, we in a fishing association. You ain't need no gun for being there. Look your Queen, stop with that. You know we in the hunting club, we in a hunting club and things like that. But you know one time, this young man, he been done. Shoot another man. The man been a run. Great God, that man been booking you. Next thing you know, that man looks on side him, a buck been there too, to run. That man said, well, great God, the buck saw take off in front of him. That man said, great God, well, let me get you. Him jump on top the buck back. And he started to ride the buck, because he said, great God, you get me out this wood, you're faster. And that buck take off more with that man on the back. The man said, wait. Slow down, you fella. Slow down. What him? You kill a man too? Okay. I had to tell that one for Cap Crook today. Yeah, man, sometimes y'all be the run so people won't know if you kill man or what's going on. Y'all need to take some time with one another. That's why we had this here gathering today. But we get together like we used to do back at Yona. Get the family together. One brother tell me, you know, ain't care what race he is, ain't care what religion, ain't care what ethnic group. You put some food around. I said, all we get together in it. He said, that's right. And I said, that's all right. There been one Buckra brother been the other day. That brother done nap on the food and say, going back for stretch off now. Because he done work on that bridge out yonder. And see, some of we done work on a bridge too. But this your bridge to bring we people back together. You understand? Because for a long time, people tell we say, if 100 of Gullah, 100 of Geechee, that ain't a nothing. Well, y'all tell me, y'all are something or y'all are nothing? Something. You the something or you the nothing? Something. You somebody or you the nothing? Something. Well, you the somebody for truth? Yeah. You sure? Yeah, true. Oh, okay then. Because you know when we've been a crack, we teach like this, other people now stand there and say, oh, and a cracky turn and all that kind of thing. But the cracky one been the one who ain't all stand say, other rest of people got their own way for do things.